Right, so we're at another stand and we're just having a look at what these guys do. So we've got this gentleman here. So yeah, please explain about your grippers.
Okay, this is a electric gripper. Stepping motor is inside
Right.
with a optical encoder.
Oh, okay.
Yes, the future of this gripper is it's able to control gripping power.
Power.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay.
In
So,
accordance with a shape or roundness or soft or hard or
okay. So it can go like soft like an egg.
yeah.
Or really hard.
Yes.
Yeah. Wow. Okay. And is that something that it does now, or is it in the future?
This one, if this one is you can see no sensor cable here.
Oh yeah, yeah, no, nice. Yeah, yeah.
We control gripping power only with a motor control.
Ah, okay, okay.
Yeah.
So it's a cleaner as well.
Yes.
Rock cleaner, yeah. So the company, Aspina.
Aspina.
Yeah, yeah. Is it an old company? Like how old's the company?
More than 100 years old.
Oh wow, okay. So
we are founded in 1918.
Oh wow, okay, okay. So very old. And you specialize on the motors then? Gears and motors.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
We are specializing is electric motors.
Electric motors.
Yes.
Right.
A motor is inside. Also, this robot using motor.
Oh, I see. I see.
Coil motor.
I see. Other wheels.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, like the encoders.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So it's your hardware that's in all these different types of robots.
Yeah.
Okay. 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 I think that makes sense. Okay. That's fine. Perfect.
Thank you.
Perfect. So these guys basically, obviously, as you said, like hundreds of years old, and they specialize in building the actual motors. And the new one he's got is they're so delicate that you don't need sensors on the actual grippers. So this is what he was explaining. So for this one here, all the data and information is done here. So it's very, very soft and very, very hard, which means you haven't got to have any sensors like on the actual grippers. So that saves a lot of space. And then the products around here, obviously, this is the actual product here that we have on it. So as you can see, that's what he's actually got on his arm. So the motor thing. So that company is Aspina. Aspina. Whereas this humanoid is a next stage humanoid. Well, this front part of it. So I love its head. Reminds me of batteries not included. All right, let's go and have a look at their AMRs as well. That's great. So same details where Aspina do the motors, and their motors go in lots of different types of products. So this is in the wheels of this AMR here. You can see him on the URs over there as well in the background. All right, okay, cool.